Hey, it's Rick the Real Estate Guy, and I'm out here at 7029 Fremont Street in Dallas, Texas. This is almost 1,900 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath in the northeast side of Dallas near White Rock Lake. Beautiful, beautiful property. Come take a look. All right, so as you can see, this has got kind of a mid-century modern look. And as we enter the house, you walk into a really nice open floor plan. So my client bought this 2 years ago and has done over $100,000 in upgrades and modifications to the house and really opened up this space. One of the very first things you'll notice here as you walk in is it is an open concept. Kitchen's right there, your living room is here, your dining room is here on the side, and you'll also notice these gorgeous, gorgeous refinished wood floors. This is all original wood flooring in this house. And as you can see, you've got this beautiful island here. Custom cabinets all throughout, custom shelving, commercial grade range. It's a Thor. It is a 6-burner, high capacity stove, gas powered. And all these cabinets are custom. One of the things that you'll notice here, a lot of storage space. These cabinets also hide away. Decorative lighting all throughout. Ceiling fans in every room. You have the French doors that go out to the back, and I'm going to show you something special about the back, but let's go down the hallway here. And you'll see in the hallway you've got a hall closet to the right, and then immediately to the left you have your powder bath. And to the right here, you'll see these beautiful barn doors, which covers up your laundry area. So you get a little bit of storage over here. And then you've got your stackable, full size, by the way, full size stackable washer and dryer. And then we'll come down, and here's the very first bedroom to the right, which is being used as an office area, but it is a full bedroom. And then there's another bedroom right across the way. And then you've got another closet here, which is actually for your water heater. And another bedroom here. You have the full bath in here. Nice shelving in here. Good light. Shower's all been retiled and done. And then you've got the master in here. Good size master. Again, you've got these wood floors all throughout the house, no carpet at all. She did some really nice accent wall here. And then you've got your master bath, which also has all been redone. I just love this marble flooring in here. And this nicely tiled shower. Really did a nice job with this. Now, as you make your way around, you've got 2 closets here. As you can see, and the other one is identical. And then you also have this extra closet space back in here. And this is the shoe closet. Shoes and luggage. And one of the things my client was looking at possibly doing is actually knocking this wall out here and opening it up to the bath and actually putting a tub in here as well. So that's also something that you can do, or you can leave it as extra storage space. But let's make our way back into the living area. And let's head outside, because the outside is very, very nice. By the way, this is a gas fireplace here. You've got the gas logs in there, but this is also really done nicely. Now we're gonna make our way out back. And you've got this beautiful deck out here with the lighting. Got some furniture out here. You got a privacy fence that she put up. Did a really nice job with that. Another privacy fence over here. And then you make your way down and you have not a one, not a two, but a 4-car garage here. Actually, it's a 4.5-car garage. And then you have all this space here. This is all new concrete that she had poured. You can actually turn this into a pickleball court. And then you also have a gated entrance over here, which is also very nice. Thanks for viewing this beautiful home with me in Dallas. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out. 682-214-3327. We can set up a private showing, or I can send you some more information. Hope you have a great day. Thanks again.